नाव सांग तुझे.
Joy Fernandez.
आयची गेम तुका कशी लागली?
It was an easy game.
हां.
Our opponent team was not playing that well, so we did quite good.
You have scored 4 goals. How do you feel about it?
I feel good, but it was an easy match, so there was no excitement in playing football.
What are your future plans for them?
I play football just for fun. There's no future plans for football. I just play for fun.
What is the message for the youngsters that are coming in the field of football?
Yeah, keep training. That will be good for them. Work hard. That's it.
Which system you would like to play? League system is good or
Yeah, I
inter
prefer
league?
league system.
It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Why it is good for league system?
Yeah, you can. League system is good because you get to play through all the matches, like all the teams which is playing in the tournament. So you know which team is playing, how they are playing. So you know about their tactics and everything.
Which is your favorite team in the ISL?
ISL. Actually, I don't watch ISL because it's not the way it was before. But so I'm not quite into.
Okay, thank you. All the best.
Thank you.